Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings. After that, click here to the connections. Here you will see NFC, tap once, and just to activate NFC you should click here only once on the switcher, and now you can see here that the NFC is activated. If you want to turn it off, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel right there, and you'll find here somewhere the NFC icon. In my case, it's here. Now just to activate the NFC, you should click here only once on this icon, and just to turn off the NFC, click on the icon again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.